Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your BlitzWolf BW-WA4 wireless speaker with any Android phone or Android tablet. So first of all, just click and hold this power button until this indicator turns on. And as you can see right now, it's blinking, so it means that we are successfully in the pairing mode. You have to open the settings on your Android device and then scroll down until you find the Bluetooth section. Right now you have to power on Bluetooth on your device, and then you can find a list of all available devices. So in my case it appears on the first place, but sometimes you have to just open the list of all devices and then just take a look right here. So right now you just have to select your BW-WA4 speaker, and then you have to also accept the pairing request, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.